Leela finds her car refusing to start on a rainy morning, and she decides to approach it calmly. She first checks battery terminals for corrosion, tight connections, and then wipes away grime while muttering friendly reminders. When the engine still sighs, she follows a safe jump start sequence with another driver's help and a clear space. If nothing changes, she calls roadside assistance, keeps a spare flashlight and blanket in the trunk, and stays composed. By the end, she shares the quick steps in a calm voice, empowering viewers to handle future starts confidently.